Waterfall chart. Waterfall chart is used when we want to illustrate cumulative effects of sequential positive or negative values. And when to use it? For showing how an initial value is affected by decrements like in financial statements, and under what scenario it is useful. Analyzing profit bridge from revenue to net income or inventory changes our steps. So the next come is data labeling. For category, here we can see that as like of column chart, bar chart, stacked column chart, we have to label x-axis or y-axis. But when you are making waterfall chart, there is no option of x-axis or y-axis. Then you have to label your category sequential steps. Then you have to put values in terms of increase or decrease. Breakdown, you have to give the subcategories. No to traditional axis, tools and trends. And the next thing, colors, green for positive and red for negative, again depending upon your own choice. So here you can see that we have a waterfall chart, and for x-axis, as I mentioned earlier, that we do not have any kind of x-axis or y-axis here. So we labeled it is by January month and the total sales. And as you can see that the green value is show when your sale increases, and the red one is showing when your sale decreases, and this color you can call it as some light mix of green and gray, that is showing the total sales. So this is how you can represent the waterfall chart. Basically, it is most commonly used when you want to compare your stock market data set. So when you want to compare the any coins value over the period of time. So this chart can mostly use for these data set.